Hello and welcome back to Woodchips. Today is approximately a month and a half since I fixed the laminate floors in my house, and we're back to make another video to show you how well the Titebond 3 glue held. Again, the Titebond 3 glue was not introduced all the way down to the subfloor. It was only at the joint level, so the floor can still move with moisture and contract with less moisture. So today I'm going to take you back and show you what the floor looks like now, and I think you'll be very impressed. I know I was. So let's pause this and move to the floor. Okay, and now I'm showing you one of the cracks, which was right here, and that was open when we started to repair it, and it's extremely tight. It's just the way it was when we first put it in. And now we'll move up to another crack, which was right here, and as you can see, that one is tight. And we'll move up to the next one, and the next one was right here, and again, that one looks great. The only thing you have to be careful of is if you don't clean it well enough, then this is what you end up with. It looks a little bit dirty. So if you take a scrub, like a dish scrub, and some Dawn soap, you can get that up. Just don't leave it, too long. Okay, the other one was here, and you can see that's nice and tight. And the next one was right here, and the last one was right there. And as you can see, they all are very tight, and they have not moved since.